Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for silver for Thursday, July the 21st, 2011. Well, a change of trend today, and yesterday we highlighted the potential for a change of trend. We had a previous downtrend in place where the candle made a lower high and a lower low. It was a doji type candle, and doji candles are extreme candles of indecision, and it did set the market up for a potential change of trend, and we've had that change of trend today. We had a candle that made a higher high and a higher low. Unfortunately for the bulls, however, they failed to go on with this market. We can see that we have a large red-bodied candle, and it's certainly not the type of candle that you like to see at the start of a first time frame uptrend. The sellers have closed this market with control by closing down towards the low, and they've shown very strong commitment to taking this market lower on the day. The buyers tested up above the previous high to set up the higher high and higher low, and they failed up around those levels. Now, those levels coincided with some strong areas of resistance, and that was at 40, the round number, and at 39.47, and the market was unable to sustain up above there as the market failed to sustain for the previous day's trading as well. So yesterday's trading was a day of indecision because we had downside price rejection and upside price rejection. Here today we've tested above to those levels, and we've had downside price rejection once again. So it certainly doesn't look like this market will continue in this trend to the upside. The short-term dynamics, or the battle between the bulls and the bears, is not supporting the first time frame uptrend. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, the market is trading within the cloud, so we have a neutral market in big picture terms. The market, however, remains bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frames by trading above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are the pink line and the green line. And if we look at the Kijun-sen, that's pointing flat. And when that line turns flat, there is a high probability that the market will retrace back towards there, and that's certainly what happened over the previous few days. The market attempted to retrace back towards there, and I'd say that this market looks like it is set up for a potential change of trend back to the downside today, for the market to test down to lower levels and perhaps trade back towards the Kijun-sen at 37.13. Down along the way, if we do see that change of trend, we do have support at 38.18 before the market interacts to lower levels. We have support at 37.84.5 from the Tenkan-sen as well. So some good solid support down below. Very important for the next day's trading that we watch the low of the current candle for any potential change of trend to the downside. So that is very important because the trend is still up regardless of whether it's supported by the bulls or the bears. The support of the bulls or the bears really will determine the likelihood of the market continuing to trend up, and there certainly isn't any support from the bulls here, so there is a chance that we will have a change of trend. So in technical analysis and trading, we do work on probabilities, and that's what we trade. So we try to find confirmation of the probabilities before we actually take the trades. Down below these levels, if we do see the market trade down below the Kijun-sen at 37.13, there is support at 36.75, and it extends all the way down to the bottom of the cloud at 36. Certainly tomorrow as well, we should be watching the top of the current candle for a potential continuation of the trend to the upside. The market will need to trade through these areas of resistance once again, the 39.47 level and the $40 level. And then certainly if we test to higher levels, we do have resistance around the top of the cloud, which extends to around 41, and this swing high, which is at $40.80 roughly. So very strong resistance up ahead, good solid support down below, lack of support from the bulls for this change of trend. The bears are certainly in the ascendancy for today's trading.